Thanks for the word, and congratulations, Simona, for excellent report. It's not easy to add a lot what you wrote, and I see also the shadow reporters are quite active, and also our colleague had. But I try to underline again that this organic farming should be market-oriented. It's to have on the both side balance between demand and supply. And I think that it goes also in the line of this change of dietary among people. And here I can say that I want to add this, that I count on young people on both sides, on young people on production side, it means on farmer side, and on the consumer side. From my country, from Slovenia, I follow many of them, and I see, especially with young farmers, how they use and introduce new technologies, and especially in market size. Use of this digital platform, direct selling, and this is the way how also they can survive with smaller price, because they have high quality products which can reach a higher price, but the price is this, they get all income. There is nobody between them and consumer. So I think it's very important that young farmers are here. And also on another side, young people much more want to know today who is producer, on which technology was produced, and here is the way how to build the trust between consumer, and if they know the face and the technology on farm on which they produce, that's the best. Also, I want to underline the importance of what also you mentioned, research and innovation. There are a lot of new improvements of resistant seeds. It's very important that you don't need then to use pesticides, and on the other side, it's also very important to have quality prognostic service, and also there are new methods which are more precise, and you really can avoid of use of pesticides. And on the other side, also a new precision machinery is very important that we develop in field of that it's easier to work on those farms. It's not so much manual work. Thank you.